we are at Chili's, and my alarm's going on. Chili's. We're at Chili's. We're in the same spot that we were yesterday. Just we're across the street. Like we were at an empty. I don't know. The building looked empty, but we were across the street over there. So I decided, like, what the hell? Let's sit actually at Chili's and see if anything pops off at Chili's. But like I said, we started the day early because we had to. The trends on Uber said that it's gonna die off about 10 o'clock. So ain't no point of being out here after 10 if it ain't gonna be popping off. So I was like, well, let's go out here early. It says it's gonna be busy earlier, so that's what we're hoping for. So we're in the parking lot of, I don't know, hold on, let me fix this. But we're in the parking lot, see? We're waiting to see what pops off and hopefully something. But how do y'all like this? Y'all like this a lot better? Oh, hold on. Gotta go. Let me see what this is.
A few moments later.
See that right there? Lexi's right there in Dollar Tree. She went to go and grab some like toilet paper and hand towels and stuff like that for the house, for the room. Stuff like that Dollar Tree is awesome for you. Like, why shop anywhere else when there's Dollar Tree for stuff like that? Like, that's amazing. So, but we stopped. Excuse me. We came back from that place, from the area that we were at, because we were getting a lot of low-end calls, $3, $2, stuff like that. So I'm like, damn, we were getting better high-end calls where we were. So we came back. But then Lexi decided to stop at Dollar Tree. So, but hopefully, and I don't even know what to say, but this is the type of shit that I'm talking about. It's like, it's supposed to be busy, and like, these are the kind of calls that we're getting. So, see, this is the kind of stuff here that Lexi, this is the kind of stuff.
I'm showing mine. Mm-hmm. So it looks like I'm the one that's.
And then I eat it, and then.
They don't say no to it.
You only live once. So I'm using my rig now, and I'm sure I'm gonna get looks, but it's okay. It is what it is. But I've got my ankle is killing me. I need to stop talking and focus. Exit only. I'm picking up for Savannah. So she needed to see the order. That was the first time somebody did that to me. They were like, no, I need to see it on your phone. I was like, all right. That was awkward. Anyway. All right, first order of the night from Panera Bread. So, I think we found another situation. Oh. She lives 8 stories up. I just walked up 8 flights because I don't like these things. I don't like those things. So I walked them up. Good exercise, I guess. I made my way out of that, I think. All right. It's veteran owned, apparently. That's pretty dope. Let's go in here. I don't know what is it where people want confirmation before they even confirm it for me. Maybe you want me to confirm, you haven't even given me the order yet. This is my second, I just came from Fat Boy's Barbecue. And I just got an order, I delivered it, I went about, 5 blocks, and then another order came through from the same restaurant, for the same restaurant, so hopefully. I thought it smelled pretty good, but Lexi wasn't fucking with it. She was like, nah. But that's her over there. See where the car is? That's where it is, so I was not fighting for parking. That's the benefit of having Lexi come with me, is that I can pull over, and if something happens, she can just move. But I can pull over on a curb and just be like, and get in my way. But can't really do that when you're by yourself, because if something happens, ain't nobody there to prevent you from getting a ticket. You know what I mean? Lexi said that we can go see the grandbaby after we get done. We can go see the grandbaby. I don't know. She's asked me like 3 times, who you here to pick up? I'm like, Julie, what the fuck? What the fuck, yo? And if I go crazy, huh? I can't hear you. I know. I didn't intend to be here this long. She's saying like parking spot, like that's where I park. That's not a parking spot. Like I just pulled up right there. Because I didn't think I was gonna be here long. I'm like, I'm just picking up food. Like I'm just gonna grab it. Where are you going? Why? But why? I mean, if somebody says something, then move it. If someone has a problem, move it. But there's no point of moving it now. Hold on. We back at it. Damn. I took my brace off. I probably should have left my brace back on. I thought we were done for the night, because I've been saying this whole time that it makes no sense to be out here after 10, because they said it's not going to be busy. And here we are. Okay, I got some food. They were really impressed with my rig here. She was like, "Oh, professional." I'm like, "It's just my phone." It's just a cell phone. I'm just holding my cell phone. What apartment number?